Victor, can you even fit in this car? Because this, you know, Italian design, and they say it's not, you know, for a guy that's taller than 6 feet tall, it's hard to get in. You're a tall man. Can you get in it?
I might have to dislocate a hip to get in here.
Hey, thanks for checking out Cars, Shops, and Collections. And today's gonna be very unique because I have no idea what kind of car we're gonna see this afternoon. My buddy Victor, he played in the NFL, he's an actor, he's got a cigar company. He's got a car for us to see. He gave me the address and said, JC, come on over, meet me at this house. I have a car to show you. So let's get in my car and go. Let's see what we got. The house is around the corner. Victor is my man, a man of mystery. Let's see what he's got for us. Okay, yeah, this has got to be it. Looks like kind of like a little mini car meetup up here. We got a Maserati, we got a, we got a Pantera down there. Victor's got us a Pantera. What's going on, man? Dude, Pantera. Yeah, hey, JC. Brian, nice to meet you. What's up, man? What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. How's it going? Good. This is stunning. Hi, JC. Hi, nice to meet you. A pleasure.
Yes, likewise.
Wow. Victor, I like that we're kind of standing on an angle. I can stand up here and look bigger than you.
Yeah, exactly.
I need all the help I can get, man.
Exactly.
Dude, I am so excited for all your successes. You're kind of changing the game when it comes to car shows.
Yes.
With cigars and cars. Tell me more about the car show.
Well, so because I have a cigar brand, VBC Cigars, so I create the division for the cigar brand. So I wanted to switch it up because there's a lot of different variations with cars and coffee, but nobody really talked about cigars and cars.
Yeah.
So when I did my research, I'm like, I need to run with this.
Right?
So I created the domain and we got a new website out. It's crazy the good response that we're getting. I'm very excited. So October 23rd is our first actual event. And we got some great people coming out with some cars. I mean, the Model T Club from Southern Nevada is coming out.
Well, this is one that this Pantera is going to be out there, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
This thing is beautiful.
1972.
This is
classic
gorgeous.
all the way.
This is stunning. Hey, how long did you play in the NFL for?
5 seasons.
5 seasons in the NFL, and then also too, what TV shows you been on? I know This Is Us. You had a little
This Is
cameo.
Us. I did Ballers. I did episode of ER and all kind of stuff.
All kinds of stuff. Motivational speaker too. You do it all, man.
Yeah.
You work out though?
A little bit. Yeah.
Victor could crush me with one arm. When it comes to cars, I mean, this is a classic. This is a gorgeous Pantera.
Yes.
Do you have a favorite?
I like all classic cars.
Yeah.
All different models, makes, brands. I like them all.
Yeah.
Because I mean, I've been into, ever since I was a kid, I was collecting Matchbox cars.
Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars.
That's where it started, you know. And then I'm like, as I got older, I got a better understanding of how cars work, and just like, and now I'm in position to have my own exotic car, and you know. And
yeah, that's your
really,
ride back there. That's not a bad ride.
Yeah, that's got the Ferrari engine.
Does it really?
Yeah.
How long have you had this?
Almost 2 years.
Yeah, that's not a bad ride, my friend.
So the top speed is about 184 degrees.
Not that you hit that though.
No. We're not. This is not the Autobahn.
Yeah, we're not.
yeah, I can't do that.
Yeah, that's
But
crazy.
yeah, it's 0 to 60 in like 4.8 seconds.
Woo!
Oh yeah, it'll move out. It's got the Ferrari engine. It's got the Lamborghini exhaust in the back. So it's clean.
Makes a statement when you pull up in this.
Oh, absolutely.
An absolute statement.
Absolutely.
All right, so Brian is the actual owner of this Pantera. Brian, once you get over here, we'll break down the car, buddy, because this is beautiful.
Hey, my name is Brian Heminger, and this is my 1972 J. Tomaso Pantera.
All right, Brian, so how long have you had the car?
I've actually only owned it for a couple of months, and I bought it just as it sits, as you see it right here.
How original is the car?
Not.
It's not.
Here's one of the things about a Pantera is you don't want to buy one that's all original. They just had a ton of problems right from the factory. And so when I went looking for a Pantera, I knew that I wanted to buy one that had already been sorted out. You know, somebody's already done all the necessary modifications to make it a reliable daily driver.
Because, I mean, the Pantera, was 72 is when they started coming here in the country?
71.
71, and then Ford sold them through 75. So this would have been bought here in the States then, right?
Yeah, 74 was the last real year. There's some, De Tomaso made some cars a little bit after that, but the proper beginning run, 72 to 74.
And these two, they would overheat back in the day, and there were issues with rust. Any issues with rust on your car?
No. This has been a West Coast car for almost its entire life, and that's key because a lot of them just fell apart from rust.
And how much of the body is original, do you know?
All original.
All original.
Yeah, a couple of modifications have been made. The running lights have been taken out
Okay.
and filled in. They're not the original mirrors, and there's some modifications to the engine, the exhaust system, the cooling. It had new Willwood four-wheel disc brakes put on it. It's got electric power steering in it. They switched it over to a cable shift, so it shifts just a little bit easier.
Can we see the engine?
Absolutely.
Now, Victor, are you going to have at your car show? Are you going to have? Are there going to be? Can you win prizes? Are there contests? Best car, best sports car, best overall car?
Well, keep in mind that we're just launching the new. This is our first event, so we got to work out the kinks.
Yeah.
But as we get deeper until we get our member base up, then we definitely will offer some, prizes for best in the show and best in class and things of that nature.
I think you should give the cars cigar ratings. 5 cigars, 10 cigars. Give them cigar ratings.
Yeah.
I like that.
Right? Yeah.
I
Uh-huh.
like that.
This looks great. This looks so clean inside here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's you've seen Clean Jeans.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Which
stunning.
is a whole different
Stunning. Yeah.
ball game. He's like next level. He's more like a proper show car.
Yes.
But this is super clean daily driver.
Wires are underneath.
Yeah, a lot of the hoses and tubing and stuff like that's been, basically undergrounded by a previous owner.
Because the original, the wiring was all out here,
Yep,
right? Yeah.
yep, exactly. So a lot of mods have been made to the car, but thankfully I didn't make any of them. Somebody else did all of that on their dime. I just bought the car the way it sits.
And is this your daily driver?
Nope.
No. That's your daily driver, the Mustang?
Nope.
Nope. Okay. 0 for 2.
Not my wife's got my daily driver actually right now, but we are all Ford here, so.
And I love this, the rear end too. Lance, back at her, because this is to me one of those iconic rear ends
Absolutely.
of a vehicle. The exhaust, the
Absolutely.
lights.
And you got like 100-foot with tires in the back.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. You can see.
100
Yeah.
tires in the back.
Seriously, those tires are huge.
They're monsters, and the exhaust system on this car is built by actually the people that I bought it from. They're called PI Motorsports. Shout out to Jerry Sackett over there at PI Motorsports in Orange County. I bought the car from him, and a lot of the modifications that have been done to the car had been done in his shop. The previous owner did them in Jerry's shop. And so Jerry sells a lot of aftermarket parts for Panteras, this exhaust system being one of them.
Yeah, and it's great condition. Can we see it in the inside?
Yeah, absolutely.
Really, before we even get into it, what's it like? Can you, Victor, can you even fit in this car? Because this, Italian design, and they say it's not, for a guy that's taller than 6 feet tall, it's hard to get in. You're a tall man. Can you get in it?
I might have to dislocate a hip to get in here, but we'll give it a shot.
Let's see what happens here.
All right, so this is live, so I don't want people laughing at me.
No,
Okay.
I'm not gonna laugh at you. You kidding me?
All right, very carefully. Okay, here we go. Ah, yes. Okay, hold on. Let me pull my knee over. Yep, there it is. Get this one here. All right.
He did it.
So, yeah, this is very tight. This is very tight for a 6'2" person here.
The Pantera was
But
not designed for NFL players. It was
yeah,
not
it's-
designed for NFL
It
players.
was made for short Italian guys.
You look good in it though, man.
Exactly.
You need help getting out?
I can make it work. I can make it work. So if Brian wants to donate the car for a weekend, I'll gladly take it.
Yeah, because you can't get out.
Hold on, now it's a process to get out.
You gotta slide out.
Oh, yes. Okay, here we go. Yep. Okay, let me keep my abs tight. Hold on. There it is.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, that's a workout in itself.
Seriously, you did it. Are the gauges original? How much of the interior is original?
Most of what's in the interior is original. The stereo is not. The gated shifter is.
Yeah,
And,
that's classic. That's classic. I love the gated shifter, classic Pantera. And then do you actually have the cigarette lighter that goes in here?
I do. It's non-functioning, but I have it. I gotta come up with a piece for the ashtray. Those ashtrays are impossible to find.
Because this is the worst spot for a cigarette lighter.
Absolutely.
You put your hand there as you're shifting, and every time you're probably popping that thing in. How many
Absolutely.
people have been burned on that cigarette lighter? It's a
Probably
good thing
many,
You
yeah.
don't have it in there. And this too, when this came to the States, this was luxury on the inside with the with the AC, the power windows as well. That wasn't standard here in the States back in the early 70s.
Well, remember, this was an exotic high-end car in 1971. This is a $10,000 car, which in $71, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
A little bit more expensive now.
Can we start it up?
Absolutely.
All right. Great sound.
Yeah,
oh my God.
That's awesome.
Brian, can we do a ride along?
Absolutely.
Let's roll. Let's do
I'm
it.
Go for a ride.
What? Dude. I want to go for a ride.
Well,
Rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
Okay, only one shot. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. That's the only time I ever beat a former NFL player. Right there, rock, paper, scissors.
Man, well, you know what happened with the ride? I'm jealous, but that's okay. And
we get the door? Thank you.
at least I can give you do the honor to get the door first.
Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Thanks. Don't go anywhere. I'll chat when you get back. All right. Thank you. Oh, man, it's tight. This is our second Pantera episode. The first one, though, with Clean Jeans, we didn't go for a ride along, so this is pretty cool, Brian.
Well, I love it. It's an amazing car and truly unique on the road.
Yeah, this is an eye-turner, man.
You don't see too many of them.
Why the Pantera? You're obviously a car guy. Why did you have to get yourself a Pantera?
Well, a dream car. I saw it on the back of Hot Rod magazine when I was a teenager, and I just thought it was the coolest car I'd ever seen in my life. And now, after all of these years, I'm in a position where I can actually afford to buy one.
You know, the pedals, are they not straight, or are they at an angle?
The seat sits slightly to the left of center of the pedals, and it makes it kind of odd to drive. But remember, this is built by an Italian car company in the 1970s. So certain things are what I would call under-engineered.
And it took a while, too, when it came to the States. You've got the American mechanics now working on Italian engineering. It took them a little bit to get used to working on this car.
Yeah, the drivetrain was easy because it was Ford.
Okay.
Although the transmission's always tricky because it's that ZF transaxle. But you can still get this thing worked on at a Ford dealer because it's a Ford motor. Do it.
That was perfect, man. Get over here, Victor, man. Brian, dude, thank you so much, man.
My pleasure.
That's a treat riding in that car.
Entirely my pleasure.
And buddy, I'm looking forward to the car show. It's gonna be awesome. Cigars and cars. I mean, this guy is changing the car show game right here, man. This is really cool.
You know, I like to be called a disruptor.
Yeah.
You know, I like to do what people aren't doing,
Yeah.
but take it to a different level.
That's what we're gonna be doing. And it's happening on Sunday the 23rd.
Yes, sir.
This will be there.
You bet.
We'll be there.
Yep.
You need,
Maserati will be
Maserati, you need someone to drive that there?
Yeah, maybe.
I'm your guy.
I'll call you.
Call me.
Wait,
All right.
wait for my call.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
If you want your car, shop, or collection featured on the show, then shoot us an email at carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. That's carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. And thanks for watching, and be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes of Cars, Shops, and Collections.